People commonly refer to something called the statute of limitations when they talk about a claim or the ability to file a lawsuit. But not too many people really understand what a statute of limitations actually is. Hi, my name is Peter Lamont, and I'm a business and personal law attorney practicing here in the state of New Jersey. Today I want to talk to you about the statute of limitations and what that means to you and your potential case. Well, first of all, the statute of limitations is exactly what it sounds like. It's a statute, it's a law, and each state has their own separate statute of limitations. And what it essentially does is it limits the amount of time within which someone can bring a particular claim or lawsuit. Each state has not only a different statute of limitations, but different statutes of limitations for particular legal claims. So for example, if you have a personal injury action, one state may have a 3-year statute of limitations, meaning you can file your lawsuit within that 3-year period in order to have a valid claim, or a timely claim, I should say, while other states might have a 2 or 1-year statute of limitations for a personal injury action. So each state has their own set of laws, but the effect of a statute of limitations is the same across the board. In the event that you do not file your lawsuit within the statute of limitations, regardless of how significant your claim may be it in breach of contract or personal injury, you will be forever barred from pursuing that claim. Statute of limitations is extremely important. So important that when a new client comes into our office, regardless of what type of matter it is, we always calculate the statute of limitations and we place it on our calendar, even if it's 2 years away, so that we are well aware of the date that their time to file a lawsuit would expire. It's critical, and it's something that you really need to understand when contacting a lawyer, because oftentimes we'll have people come into the office and say, this accident happened 3 years ago and I'm still experiencing pain, or 4 years ago, and it's beyond the statute of limitations. And when we try to explain to them that we understand you have a serious injury or incident or issue, but the law won't allow you to pursue it, they get very upset and they don't understand. So I hope that today my explanation of the statute of limitations will help you understand what it exactly is and what its function is. There's legislative reasons behind the statute of limitations that really aren't important for everyday knowledge, but it essentially is based upon a doctrine of fairness, what a state considers fair, how long you could hold somebody responsible or liable for a particular set of actions or incidents. But what you really need to know is that the first time you realize you have a claim, be it a medical malpractice claim or a personal injury claim, breach of contract, or other sort of business claim that you might have, unjust enrichment, copyright infringement, whatever it is, you need to immediately contact a lawyer to help you. Because the longer you wait, the more of your statute of limitations time gets eaten up, and the shorter of a chance you have to file your lawsuit and get in within that statute of limitations. Because if you miss that statute of limitations deadline, you cannot bring your claim regardless of how serious or severe it is. Now, if you'd like more information about this topic, or if you have a general legal question that you would like me to answer, I encourage you to pick up the phone and give me a call. My telephone number is 973-949-3770, or you can email me at plamont@peterlamontesq.com. We answer legal questions on a daily basis, and I'd be happy to personally answer yours. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.